everyone. Welcome back to another session, guys. So, first of all, Merry Christmas to everyone. Wishing you a very happy Christmas. So, enjoy our Christmas after the class and let's make it a good Christmas. Let's make it a memorable one. So, we have one amazing video for you. We have one amazing video for you. So, enjoy your Christmas, but after this class. So now let's come back to the session. So if you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe this channel, do like this video and do share this video with your friends. So जल्दी से जाओ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और इस वीडियो को लाइक करो एंड अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करो. एंड अगर अभी तक आपने टेलीग्राम ग्रुप ज्वाइन नहीं किया है, so go and join the telegram group right now so that you do not miss any notes. So go and join this group right now. And last but not the least, if you want to score good marks, if you want to make your parents feel proud, then you can take the Vedantu Commerce Pro subscription. So, in this Pro subscription, we are giving you more than 5,000 hours of online teaching. There will be regular tests. We will give you assignments that will contain more than 10,000 questions. Also, there will be continuous review of your areas of improvement. We will continuously tell you that in which chapter you need improvement, in which chapter you are weak. For this, there will be more than 20 teachers for your help. And we are also giving you option in languages. You can choose the language as per your choice, English or Hindi. And last but not the least, we have different type of courses for you as per your demand. If you want to do only one chapter, then you can choose the micro course. But if you want to do the entire syllabus, then you can get the crash course. And this subscription 1 month plan is available for 2,799. But right now we are giving you flat 50% off. So this is the best time to take your Pro subscription. So go and use my code SCPRO to take your Pro subscription right now at flat 50% off. Flat 50% off. This is Christmas sale. So before it ends, go and get your Pro subscription. Jaldi se jao. Use my code and take your Pro subscription. Now, hi everyone. This is Sheetal Chaudhary, your accounts master teacher, and this is class 11th session. So let me tell you that this is recorded session. This is not a live session. So don't write in the comments ki ma'am, why are you not replying to the comments? This is our recorded session. So today we are going to do the chapter rectification of error. आज हम क्या करने वाले हैं? Rectification of error. This is the third lecture of rectification. Today, this is the third lecture of rectification in which we are going to learn about error of principle, compensating error, and how to do the rectification of one-sided error. So, आज हम क्या पढ़ेंगे कि what is the meaning of principal error, what is the meaning of compensating error, and how to do the rectification of one-sided error. So let's begin this session. Let's begin this session on the Christmas. So let's start this. And the first topic that we have is error of principle. The first topic that we are going to discuss is the meaning of error of principle. When these error will arise, what is the meaning of error of principle? So आइए बच्चों देखते हैं, लेट्स सी कि क्या होते हैं error of principle. So be attentive and don't write anything unnecessary in the chat box. If it is a live, if it is not live session, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि हमें ध्यान नहीं देना, हमें अच्छे से सीखना है, हमें सिर्फ क्लास में ध्यान देना है. So these errors are caused due to violation of accounting principle. When you violate the accounting principle, these error of principle will arise. So when you violate the error of principle, for example, allocation between capital and revenue item, you are wrongly allocating the income and expenditure between capital and revenue. आपने गलत डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कर दिया इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर का बिटवीन दी रेवेन्यू एंड कैपिटल. सो जब भी आप रेवेन्यू आइटम को कैपिटल ट्रीट कर लोगे या आप कैपिटल आइटम को रेवेन्यू ट्रीट कर लोगे, इट मीन्स इट इज एरर ऑफ प्रिंसिपल. हमने रेवेन्यू को कैपिटल मान लिया या कैपिटल को रेवेन्यू मान लिया, सो दैट इज एरर ऑफ प्रिंसिपल. Let's see the examples. There can be two cases. You are treating the capital item as the revenue item. आपने capital item को क्या मान लिया? Revenue item मान लिया. For example, wages paid for the installation of new machinery. When you pay wages for the new machinery, they are capital expenses and machinery account is to be debited. जब आप मशीनरी खरीदते हो और आप वेजेस पे करते हो, इंस्टॉलेशन चार्जेस पे करते हो, तब हमें मशीनरी को डेबिट करना होता है. वी हैव टू डेबिट मशीनरी अकाउंट, बट it is debited to wages account instead of machinery account. आपने किसको डेबिट कर दिया? वेजेस को. आपने उसको क्या मान लिया? रेवेन्यू मान लिया. So instead of machinery you have debited wages account, so that is error of principle. आपने capital expenditure को क्या मान लिया? Revenue expenditure. So wrong distribution of item of income and expenditure between capital and revenue is known as error of principle. Second case, ऐसा भी तो हो सकता है that हमने revenue item को capital item मान लिया. We have treated revenue item as capital item. For example, मैम example दो, ऐसे समझ नहीं आता. So let's see the example. 200 paid for the repairs of old machine. You are paying for repairs of old machine, not new. किसके लिए पे किया? पुरानी मशीन के repairs के लिए. So it has to be debited to repairs. क्या debit होना चाहिए? Repairs account should be debited. But you have debited it to the machine account instead of repairs account. Instead of repairs, you have debited the machine account. So आपने revenue item को repairs को क्या मान लिया? Capital expenditure मान लिया. So error of principle arises when you treat capital item as revenue item or you treat revenue item as capital item. So wrong distribution between capital and revenue is known as error of principle. So at the time of these errors हमें क्या ध्यान रखना है? So some points that should be kept in mind are when you purchase asset. Some important points are when you purchase asset, you will debit asset, not purchases. जब हम किसी एसेट को खरीदते हैं, when you purchase asset, debit asset account, not the purchases account. Second, when you sell assets, जब आप एसेट को बेचते हो, when you sell asset, credit asset account, credit asset account, not the sales account, not the sales account. हमें सेल्स को क्रेडिट नहीं करना, हमें सेल ऑफ एसेट के टाइम पे एसेट को क्रेडिट करना है. एंड थर्ड, at the time of expenses, at the time of expenses made at the time of purchase or sale, at the time of purchase or sale, जब भी आप कोई एक्सपेंस पे करते हो at the time of purchase or sale, then debit asset account, then debit asset account. अगर आपने कोई भी खर्चा पे किया है at the time of purchase of asset or at the time of sale of asset, so debit the asset account, not the expenses account. हमें किसको डेबिट करना है? एसेट अकाउंट को डेबिट करना है, ना कि एक्सपेंसेस को. So these are some important points that you have to keep in mind while doing the rectification. When you purchase asset, debit the asset. When you sell asset, credit the asset. And when you pay expenses at the time of purchase or sale of asset, then debit the asset, not the expenses. So these are some important points. Please note it down somewhere or either take the screenshot. So jaldi se या तो note it down या please take the screenshot. So now coming on to the next compensating error. What are compensating error? अब compensating error कौन से होते हैं मैम? Compensating error क्या है? So let's see what are compensating errors. So sometimes two or more errors are committed in such a way that the net effect of these errors of debit and credit is nil. Sometimes we commit two errors at same time and the net effect of these errors are zero. कभी कभार हम ऐसे एरर्स, ऐसी गलतियां कर देते हैं जिनका नेट अफेक्ट क्या होता है? जीरो होता है, जिनके दोनों के एरर होने से हमारी बुक्स पे कोई फर्क पड़ता ही नहीं है. They compensate each other, they nullify each other. So let's take an example for this. On 1st July, a sum of 2000 paid to Mohit is posted as 200. हमने मोहित को कितने पैसे पे करे? 2000. 2000 was recorded as 200. So this is recorded less by 1800. This is recorded less by 1800. 2000 is paid and we have recorded it 200. So हमने record कम किया by 1800. And a sum of 200 paid to Sonil has been posted as 2000 to the debit of his account. Amount paid to Sonil, 200 is paid to Sonil and it is recorded as 2000. So in this, we have recorded 1800 more. In the first transaction, we have recorded 1800 less. In this transaction, we have recorded 1800 more. So the net effect, this will cancel out each other, 1800 minus 1800 plus, the net effect is 0. The net effect is 0. So these are compensating errors which compensate each other, which nullify the effect of each other. So वो errors जो एक साथ commit होते हैं उनका net effect क्या होता है? 0. These are compensating error. So these are the compensating error and this is the example. If you have any doubt in the compensating error or error of principle, please let me know in the comments box. अगर कोई भी doubt है, so please let me know in the comments box. I hope that this is clear, but if still there is any doubt, please ask it in the comments box. Now, coming on to the effect of these errors. So, error of principle and compensating error don't affect the trial balance. They do not affect the trial balance. The trial balance will match in both the error. Trial balance क्या होगा? Match हो जाएगा. It will not affect the trial balance. So it can be asked in the quiz. 1 mark quiz can be asked that error of principle affect the trial balance or do not affect the trial balance. So the answer is error of principle and compensating error do not affect the trial balance. Okay. So now coming on to the types of error. Now coming on to the again types of error. As I have told you, the errors are broadly divided into 2 types. Errors are broadly classified into 2 types. One is one-sided error and second is two-sided error. There are 2 types of error, one-sided error and two-sided error. One-sided error affect the trial balance. Two-sided error do not affect the trial balance. There are 2 types of error, one-sided error and two-sided error. One-sided error affect the trial balance and two-sided error do not affect the trial balance. So, one-sided error affect the trial balance. Now we are going to do the rectification of one-sided error. Today we will learn that how we will do rectification of one-sided error. कैसे rectify करेंगे one-sided error को. So, one-sided error, these errors affect only one side of the account. As I have told you that one-sided error affect only one side of the account. It will either affect the debit side or credit side. ये एक ही साइड अफेक्ट करते हैं, या तो डेबिट साइड को अफेक्ट करेंगे या फिर क्रेडिट साइड को अफेक्ट करेंगे. सो दे आइदर अफेक्ट डेबिट साइड और क्रेडिट साइड, दोनों साइड को अफेक्ट नहीं करेंगे. दे आर वन साइडेड एरर. नाउ therefore these errors affect the trial balance. As they only affect one side, therefore they also affect the trial balance. Trial balance will not match. Trial balance will not match in case of one-sided error. Now, the rectification is divided into 2 cases. Rectification of these error is done difference in the 2 cases. there are two cases for rectification. You can do rectification before preparing the trial balance or after preparing the trial balance. We can either do the rectification before preparing the trial balance or after preparing the trial balance. So let's see how we will do rectification before preparing trial balance and how we will do rectification after preparing trial balance. कैसे करेंगे rectification of these one-sided error before preparing the trial balance and after preparing the trial balance. So आइए देखते हैं कैसे होगी rectification. Case 1. Before preparing the trial balance. Before preparing the trial balance, how the rectification is done of one-sided error. So, when these errors are rectified before preparing the trial balance, when you rectify these errors before preparing the trial balance, that is transferring the difference in the trial balance to the suspense account, then it is done directly by debiting or crediting the concerned ledger account. So, when we are doing rectification before preparing the trial balance, जब हम ट्रायल बैलेंस के बनाने से पहले रेक्टिफिकेशन करते हैं, so we do not involve suspense account. We do not involve suspense account. I will tell you what is suspense account. For now, if rectification is done before preparing the trial balance, you will not involve the suspense account. हम किसको इन्वॉल्व नहीं करेंगे, किसको इनवाइट नहीं करेंगे, सस्पेंस अकाउंट को इनवाइट नहीं करेंगे. बिफोर द ट्रायल बैलेंस हम सस्पेंस अकाउंट को इनवाइट नहीं करेंगे. सो बिफोर द ट्रायल बैलेंस व्हाट इज द ट्रीटमेंट? So this is the treatment. Before the trial balance, this is the treatment. Now, let me tell you this through a working note. आइए इसको working note के through समझते हैं. So, there are two terms, undercasting and overcasting. हमारे पास दो बहुत फेमस टर्म्स हैं, अंडरकास्टिंग एंड ओवरकास्टिंग. अंडरकास्टिंग मीन्स व्हेन वी रिकॉर्ड शॉर्ट, व्हेन वी रिकॉर्ड शॉर्ट और वी रिकॉर्ड लेस. जब हम कम रिकॉर्ड कर लेते हैं, जब हम शॉर्ट रिकॉर्ड कर लेते हैं तो उसको बोलते हैं अंडरकास्टिंग. एंड जब हम ज्यादा रिकॉर्ड कर लेते हैं, when we record more, that is known as overcasting. जब आप ज्यादा रिकॉर्ड कर लेते हो तो that is known as overcasting. जब आप कम रिकॉर्ड करते हो उसको बोलते हैं undercasting. So these are the two terms, undercasting and overcasting. So when we record less, so rectification कैसे करेंगे? How you will do rectification in undercasting? If you have recorded less, अगर आपने कम रिकॉर्ड कर लिया है तो to rectify that you have to record more. अगर आपने किसी चीज को कम रिकॉर्ड कर लिया है, so to rectify the undercasting you have to record more. And the answer is you will do the same treatment in case of undercasting. In case of undercasting, we will do the same treatment. For example, if purchases are recorded less, if purchases are recorded less, you will do the same and you will again debit it. So if an item is debited, you will again debit it. If an item is credited, you will again credit it. So in undercasting we do the same. अगर कोई आइटम डेबिट होता है तो उसको अगेन डेबिट करो, अगर कोई आइटम का क्रेडिट नेचर है उसको अगेन क्रेडिट करो. If an item is recorded short, if an item is recorded less, it is undercasting, and the rectification of undercasting is same treatment. If an account has debit balance, it will be again debited. If an account has credit balance, it will be again credited. अगर डेबिट है तो डेबिट दोबारा से, क्रेडिट है तो दोबारा से क्रेडिट. And the amount will be the difference. By which amount you will debit or credit, so the amount will be the difference. The amount will be the difference. For example, let me tell you, purchases of 7,000 are recorded as, purchases of rupees 7,000 are recorded as 700. Purchases of 7,000 is recorded as 700. आपने purchases को कम record कर लिया. So now this is undercasting, you have recorded less. To do the rectification, you will do the same treatment. So purchases will be again debited by the difference. So difference between 7,000 and 700 is 6,300. So you will debit purchases by 6,300 rupees. This is the treatment of undercasting. We will do the same treatment with the difference amount. So, now coming on to the overcasting. अब चलते हैं overcasting पे. So, overcasting means you have recorded more. आपने क्या कर लिया है? ज़्यादा रिकॉर्ड कर लिया है. You have recorded more. 700 is recorded as 7,000. 700 is recorded as 7,000. You have recorded more. So, when you record more, for rectification, you have to decrease the balance, you have to reduce the balance. अगर आप उसको सही करोगे तो आप उसको क्या करना पड़ेगा? कम करना पड़ेगा, because it is recorded more. So to rectify it, you have to record less, and to decrease the balance, we do the opposite treatment. To decrease the balance, we do the opposite treatment. क्या करेंगे? Opposite treatment करेंगे. In overcasting, we do the opposite treatment. Debit item will be credited and credit item will be debited. जो डेबिट बैलेंस है उसको क्रेडिट कर देंगे, जो क्रेडिट बैलेंस है उसको डेबिट कर देंगे. डेबिट वाले को क्रेडिट कर दो, क्रेडिट वाले को डेबिट कर दो. You will do opposite treatment in the overcasting. If purchases of 700 is recorded as 7,000, अगर आपने 700 के परचेजेस को 7,000 रिकॉर्ड कर लिया है तो दैट इज ओवरकास्टिंग. अब आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? कम करना पड़ेगा. And to do the rectification, you have to do opposite. Purchases have debit balance. So now you will do opposite. You will credit purchases by the difference amount 6,300. So purchases will be credited. So in undercasting, we do the same treatment. In overcasting, we do the opposite treatment. This is going to help you in whole chapter, in full chapter. So these are very important terms, undercasting and overcasting. In undercasting, we do the same treatment. In overcasting, we do the opposite treatment. So, if you have recorded short debit, this is undercasting. So it will be again debited. If you have recorded short credit, अगर आपने short credit record कर लिया है, so this is again undercasting. You will again credit the account. अगर आपने किसी को शॉर्ट डेबिट कर दिया है, देन अगेन डेबिट. अगर आपने किसी को कम क्रेडिट कर दिया है, देन अगेन क्रेडिट. डू दी सेम ट्रीटमेंट. बट इन ओवरकास्टिंग, अगर आपने किसी को एक्सेस क्रेडिट कर दिया है, if an account is credited more, you will do the opposite. You will do debit now. और if account is excess debited, अगर किसी को ज्यादा डेबिट कर दिया है, now do the opposite, now credit that item. So in undercasting we do the same, and in overcasting we do the opposite. So this is the treatment of one-sided error before the preparation of trial balance. You will only debit or credit the concerned account. We will only debit and credit the concerned account. So this is rectification of one-sided error before the preparation of trial balance. Now tell me, is this clear to everyone? Is this clear to you guys? Yes or no? So if there is any doubt, please leave your doubts in the comments box so that I can see them. Now coming on to the example. I have given you the example. So let's see another example. Purchase book undercast by 150. Purchases are undercasted by 150. Purchases को कम रिकॉर्ड किया है, undercasted. In undercasting we do the same. So purchase has debit balance. Now we will again debit the purchases by 150. So come to the answer. Purchase account will be debited by 150 to rectify this error. You will debit the purchases account to rectify this error. So you will record on the debit side of purchase account to undercast 150. So in undercasting we do the same. Purchases are debited, you will again debit it by 150 rupees. So here debit side of purchase account was short, therefore the rectification is done by again debiting the amount. डेबिट साइड क्या थी, कम थी, तो हमने उसको रेक्टिफाई करने के लिए क्या किया, दोबारा से डेबिट कर दिया. So only learn the rules of undercasting and overcasting and rectification will become easy for you. So in undercasting we do the same treatment, in overcasting we do the opposite. Just remember this and you will easily solve the question. Now this was rectification before the trial balance. Now coming on to the case 2. Rectification after preparing the trial balance. What will be the rectification after preparing the trial balance? So, अगर आपको पहला वाला केस समझ आ गया, if first case is clear to you, this is easy because this is buy one get one free. जिसको पहला वाला केस समझ आ गया, उसको ये वाला चुटकियों में समझ आ जाएगा. So, let's see how we will rectify the errors after preparing the trial balance. So, when the errors are detected after the preparation of trial balance, then every single-sided error, every one-sided error is rectified by passing a journal entry. You have to pass journal entry through the suspense account. So now we will involve the suspense account. Now we will involve the suspense account. So after preparing this trial balance, if the trial balance is not equal, जब हम trial balance बना लेते हैं and the trial balance is not equal, so the difference of trial balance is placed under the suspense account. हम difference को कहाँ लिख देते हैं? Suspense account में. So what is suspense account? Suspense account is that account which is open to fill the difference of trial balance. अगर ट्रायल बैलेंस में कोई भी डिफरेंस है, so you will open a suspense account to fill up that difference. उस डिफरेंस को भरने के लिए हम कौन सा अकाउंट खोलेंगे? सस्पेंस अकाउंट. So now after preparing the trial balance, one-sided errors are rectified by passing journal entry. आपको क्या पास करनी पड़ेगी? Journal entry. You can't only write the note. In the previous हमने सिर्फ एक note दिया था that this purchases will be debited. But in this we will pass a complete journal entry. So let's see that how we will pass the rectification journal entry. आइए देखते हैं कैसे journal entry पास होगी. So for short debit, अगर short debit है, it means it is undercasting. In undercasting we do the same. So correct account will be debited again. If there is short debit, you will again do the same, you will do the debit again. अगर undercasting है तो undercasting में क्या करते हैं? Same treatment. So if an account is recorded less, अगर कोई short debit है, if debit side is less, so you will again debit that. So debit that account and credit the suspense account. So correct account will be debited and reverse suspense account will be credited. So जो account debit होना है उसको debit कर दो और suspense को क्या कर दो? Credit कर दो. So if purchases are debited, purchase will be debited and suspense will be credited. Next, if credit side is recorded less, if there is undercasting on the credit side, so you will do the same, you will again credit that account. If credit side is short, it means it is undercasting, we will do the same. So credit that account again and suspense account will be debited. Debit the suspense account. This is undercasting. Now coming on to the overcasting. If you have recorded more on the credit side, if you have recorded more on the credit side, so you will do the opposite in overcasting. So if you have recorded more on the credit side, do the opposite. Debit that account and credit the suspense account. Credit the suspense account. Last but not the least, if you have recorded more on the debit side, excess debit, you have recorded more on the debit side. Overcasting is done on the debit side. So for rectification, we will do the opposite. Now we will credit that account. Now we will credit that account and suspense account will be debited. Suspense account will be debited. So this is the rectification of one-sided error after preparing the trial balance. Undercasting and overcasting rules will remain same. The opposite side you will write the suspense account. जो सही होना था पहले उसको सही रिकॉर्ड करो और अपोजिट साइड क्या लिख देंगे? सस्पेंस अकाउंट. Now let's see one example of this. The example is sales book was undercasted by 200. Sales book is undercasted. So in undercasting, we do the same treatment. In undercasting, we do the same treatment. Sales has credit balance. Sales has credit balance. So again, we will credit the sales. Again, we will credit the sales. To rectify, you will do the same. You will do again credit. And suspense account will be debited. So the journal entry will be suspense account debit to sales account. Suspense account debit to sales account. Correct account is credited and suspense account will be debited. So this is the rectification of one-sided error after preparing the trial balance. After preparing the trial balance, you will use the suspense account. Now, when nothing is mentioned in the question about the time of detection of error, question में कुछ नहीं बोला that whether it is before preparation of trial balance or it is after preparation of trial balance. So you are advised to rectify error through the suspense account. So if nothing is mentioned, then it is preferred to use suspense account. So this is rectification of one-sided error without involving suspense account and after involving suspense account. Now tell me, is this clear to everyone? Yes or no? Is this clear, guys? Yes or no? Okay. So that's it for today. I hope that this topic is clear to everyone. If there is any doubt, please let me know in the comments box. So now, thank you for watching this session. Now enjoy your Christmas, guys. Enjoy your Christmas party. And if you like this session, if this session was helpful for you, then please give it a thumbs up. Do like this video and do share this video. And if you are new to this channel, then also subscribe the channel for more such videos. तो जल्दी से जाओ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और अगर अभी तक आपने टेलीग्राम ग्रुप ज्वाइन नहीं किया है तो टेलीग्राम ग्रुप भी ज्वाइन करना है बच्चों. जल्दी से जाओ टेलीग्राम ग्रुप ज्वाइन करो. And if you want to score good marks, you want to make your parents feel proud, then you can take the Vedantu Commerce Pro subscription only for 2799. And right now, it's the best time to get this Pro subscription because we are giving you flat 50% off. So go and use my code SCPRO and take your Pro subscription right now at flat 50% off. So for now, stay tuned for the next session. See you all in the next session. Till then, good night, have sweet dreams and take care. Very happy Christmas, Merry Christmas to all of you once again. Bye guys, bye everyone.